Hello my dears, this is Sarah from sheholdsdearly.com, and today I'm going to show you a project that I'm having trouble with, and I'm going to see if you can help me figure out what to do. It has to do with the closets in the master bedroom of our farmhouse. Okay, so when we bought the house, this room that I'm in right now, and I will show you the closets in a moment, it used to be 2 rooms. And this part of the house used to be the women's sewing room back in 1906. And then when they took out the wall in the middle of the room and made it a large room, it ended up that there were 3 closets in this room, which I loved. And I'm turning one into my little office area, and then the other 2, one is mine, one is my husband's. But we haven't figured out the doors. And of all the things that bother me in this house, the closet doors are one of the worst. I don't like seeing things that don't go with my decorating, things that they're just used but not really part of the look in the room. I don't like being able to see those during the day. And then I especially don't like sleeping in an area where I feel like there's clutter around me. So these closets have bothered me. It's not because I don't have a lot of ideas for what I want to do for the closet doors, it's that my husband and I are not agreeing, right? So I originally just thought, I'm just gonna make these look like 2 large built-in armoires. I'll show you how the closets fit into the ceiling here. So I found a couple of these crystal antique doorknobs at garage sale, and I thought, well, I'll make them into 2 knobs that you can open up, and then we'll do some type of a custom door, and it'll look like an armoire. And my husband was worried that the doors were going to be too wide, they were going to swing, you couldn't like get back inside the closet. He was all worried about the space. So then we thought, well, let's make it 3 doors, and so 2 open, and then one is a faux door. I don't know, maybe sliders. We've gone around and around. And I even tried to get these doors done by saying, it's my birthday. I tried that 2 years, and I still don't have closet doors. So we really need to come to a design decision, and then we can go forward. That's really our problem. So I'm putting this out there. I'm going to show you my thoughts on this. I'm going to show you 7 examples that are inspiring to me off of Pinterest, and I will link those sources and websites below in case you want to look into those companies further. But then once we are done, I would love to hear in the comments which door you think works the best. Okay, so on the left here, you can see this is where my husband's clothes are kept. And I love how these closets are built into the little vaulted ceilings in this room. And then I've got, of course, the main focal point in this room is this huge ornate bed. And we're gonna keep it. I'm going to change the color of it. So there's that to think about. Okay, so in the first picture here, I have a shaker style closet door, which might be nice considering how ornate the bed is. Okay, and here is a picture of one that has beadboard. Really simple, which might be good. Okay, and here's the more ornate armoires that I was talking about that was inspiring me to add some just unique trim around the edges and maybe along the top. Here's one that's raw wood. I love the simplicity of that. We could do that. This one from Jenna Sue it might be my favorite one. She just put I'm sure it was like $20 or something, just to put a simple X, just glue some trim work on and make an X, and then we could paint it maybe in like a soft sage green like she did. And then here is another one that's raw wood. So what do you think? Leave me your thoughts in the comments below, and I would love to hear from you. I always get so much help from this group of people, and I love your ideas. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you got some ideas maybe for your own closet doors. I love doing things that fit the old house that we're in, and not just putting up closet doors that are just standard, off the shelf type doors. I want to do something custom. So I hope that you got some inspiration, and I hope that you got some ideas for me too. So if you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I do post regularly, and I share my professional design advice and our vintage home life. All right, take care, and I will talk to you soon.